Cheese. At your age, most individuals would say it's too fatty, too salty, or something you should be reducing, not adding more of. However, what if certain cheeses could actually help you rebuild lost muscle, protect your balance, and keep you strong well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond? Yes, the same food you've been told to avoid might be one of your greatest allies in the battle against age-related muscle loss, what physicians call sarcopenia. The best part? You don't need fancy powders or expensive supplements. These 5 cheeses are hiding in plain sight, sitting quietly in your fridge, ready to help you stand taller, move easier, and stay independent. Throughout this video, I'll reveal 5 specific cheeses that have been demonstrated to support muscle strength, improve mobility, and fuel aging bodies with exactly what they need. These aren't your average snack cheeses. These are targeted, proven tools backed by science and decades of geriatric nutrition research. Stay engaged, because by the end of this, you'll understand exactly what to consume, when to consume it, and how much, so you can feel stronger, steadier, and more in control of your health than you have in years. Before we continue, if you're not already subscribed, I suggest clicking that button and activating notifications so you won't miss future health guidance designed specifically for you. Should this video provide value, enter 1 in the comments section. If it doesn't, enter 0 so I understand how to create superior content for you. 1. Cottage cheese, the gentle muscle rebuilder. As we grow older, we come to realize that staying strong isn't just about lifting heavy things. It's about lifting ourselves out of chairs, out of bed, off the floor. Yet, after age 60, something quiet begins happening inside our bodies. We start losing muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. Most of us don't even notice it until it's harder to walk upstairs, harder to carry groceries, harder to stay independent. However, here's something hopeful. The right foods can fight back, and cottage cheese might be one of the most powerful tools we have. This humble, soft, creamy cheese is far more than an old diet food from the 1980s. It's a nutritional powerhouse perfectly suited for seniors. In just half a cup, cottage cheese provides 14 grams of high-quality protein, yet it's light, only around 80 calories. More importantly, it contains leucine, the key amino acid that triggers muscle building. As we age, our muscles don't respond to protein the way they used to. We need more of it, and we need leucine to wake them up. Cottage cheese helps accomplish just that. What makes it so effective isn't just the protein amount, but the type. Cottage cheese contains casein, a slow-digesting protein that nourishes your muscles for up to 8 hours. Think of it as a time-release formula for muscle protection, particularly important at night when your body is fasting during sleep. A small serving before bed can actually help prevent muscle breakdown while you rest. It's gentle, easy on the teeth, easy to digest, even if your appetite isn't what it used to be. Many seniors find meats hard to chew or too heavy. Cottage cheese, on the other hand, can be eaten cold, blended into smoothies, mixed with fruit or herbs, or even used as a protein-rich spread. For older Americans seeking not just longer life, but better life, where getting dressed doesn't feel like a chore and gardening or walking the dog remains a joy, cottage cheese is more than food. It's functional medicine, quiet, affordable, and effective. Now imagine pairing that gentle muscle support with a bold, concentrated burst of nutrition, something aged, sharp, and deeply satisfying. That's where our second cheese comes in, and it may surprise you. If you're continuing to watch and discovering these insights beneficial, please type number 1 in the comments, indicating your engagement. Now, let's advance to point number 2. 2. Parmesan, the nutrient-dense classic. When you're in your 60s, 70s, or 80s, strength doesn't just mean lifting weights, it means lifting life. The ability to climb stairs, carry your grandchild, or simply walk confidently without fear of falling. However, with every passing year, we naturally lose muscle, a condition called sarcopenia, unless we step in and nourish our muscles with exactly what they need. One of the most surprising allies in this fight? Parmesan cheese. Yes, the same cheese you might sprinkle on spaghetti holds far more value than just flavor. True aged Parmesan, especially authentic Parmigiano Reggiano, is one of the most nutrient-dense foods available to seniors. In just a small ounce, about the size of your thumb, you get over 10 grams of high-quality complete protein. For those who eat smaller portions in later life, this concentrated nutrition is a gift. It lets you get what your muscles need without having to consume more than your body wants. However, there's something even more special about Parmesan: its digestibility. Because it's aged for 24 months or more, the proteins and lactose in the cheese are naturally broken down. That means less bloating, easier digestion, and even individuals with lactose sensitivity can usually enjoy it without discomfort. That matters because seniors often struggle with digesting dense protein sources like meat. Parmesan is additionally incredibly rich in calcium, a mineral most people associate with bone health, yet which is also essential for muscle contraction and function. Every movement your body makes requires calcium. Without it, no amount of protein will make your muscles work effectively. 1 ounce of Parmesan provides 25% of your daily calcium needs in a form that's easy to absorb. Sprinkling freshly grated Parmesan over eggs, soups, or vegetables doesn't just make meals delicious, it turns them into medicine. Real nourishment, real strength. For many older patients, this small daily habit has made a noticeable difference in how they move, how they feel, and how much energy they bring into each day. However, not all protein works the same way. Some reaches your muscles fast, right when they need it. That's the secret behind our third cheese, a creamy, comforting favorite that works quickly after a walk or simple chore. You're about to meet the fastest muscle-building cheese of them all. 3. Ricotta, the fast-acting muscle builder. There's a quiet yet powerful truth about growing older. Our bodies don't bounce back like they used to. A short walk leaves us more tired. A simple chore requires more effort. That's because after age 60, sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass, becomes a steady, silent threat to our independence. However, with the right choices, we can push back. One of the fastest ways to help your muscles recover and grow is through a soft, creamy cheese you've probably eaten your whole life: ricotta. What makes ricotta special isn't just its texture or taste, it's how your body uses it. Unlike most cheeses that contain slow-digesting casein, ricotta is made from whey protein, the fastest-absorbing protein available. Within 30 to 60 minutes, its amino acids reach your bloodstream and head straight to your muscles, just when they need support most. This makes ricotta the perfect post-activity fuel. After a gentle walk around the block, a bit of light gardening, or even stretching exercises, your muscles are primed to rebuild. Ricotta helps make that happen. Whey protein in ricotta is rich in branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, particularly leucine, which is critical for turning on the body's muscle-building switch. While meat or eggs can be harder to digest as we age, ricotta is smooth, light, and easy on the stomach. For seniors who may struggle with chewing or swallowing, it's an ideal way to get high-quality protein without discomfort. Ricotta is additionally lower in sodium than most cheeses, an important factor for seniors managing blood pressure or heart conditions. It supports your muscles and your heart, providing strength and peace of mind simultaneously. And it's versatile. Spread on toast with a drizzle of honey, blended into smoothies, or folded into pasta and vegetables. Ricotta doesn't shout. It supports, comforts, and heals quietly from within. If you're serious about reclaiming strength, balance, and daily confidence, then ricotta isn't just a food, it's a smart, strategic part of your wellness plan. Small servings taken consistently can make daily tasks feel a little easier and life feel a little lighter. However, what if there were a cheese that provided protein and protected your heart and nerves simultaneously? Mild in flavor, low in salt, and unexpectedly powerful. Our next cheese does exactly that, and it's been hiding in plain sight in American fridges for decades. If you're continuing to watch and discovering these insights worthwhile, please type number 1 in the comments indicating your presence. Now let's proceed forward with point number 4. 4. Swiss cheese, the hidden powerhouse. Sometimes the strongest solutions are the quietest ones. Swiss cheese doesn't grab attention with bold flavor or fancy packaging. It just sits there, mild, familiar, full of those gentle holes. Yet it holds a secret that's especially important if you're beyond 60. It's one of the muscle-friendly cheeses available for seniors. In the battle against sarcopenia, where strength slowly slips away with age, Swiss cheese offers a steady hand of support, particularly for those managing other health concerns like high blood pressure or sensitive digestion. What sets Swiss cheese apart is its remarkable balance. With 8 grams of protein per slice, it provides a meaningful amount of high-quality protein in just a small, easy-to-eat portion. For seniors who don't feel as hungry or who eat smaller meals, this kind of protein density can be a game changer. It helps meet daily needs without overwhelming the appetite or the stomach. However, protein isn't the only reason Swiss cheese matters. It's additionally naturally lower in sodium than most other cheeses, making it a wise choice for older adults who are watching their salt intake to protect their heart and blood vessels. Yet despite being lower in salt, it's still rich in calcium and vitamin B12, two nutrients that are essential for maintaining both muscle coordination and nerve health. Vitamin B12 in particular serves a crucial role in preventing muscle weakness, fatigue, and even cognitive decline, all risks that increase with age. Swiss cheese is also very digestible, particularly when sliced thin or melted. It's soft enough to chew easily, yet solid enough to work in sandwiches, omelets, or as a snack paired with fresh fruit or whole grain crackers. It adapts well to both savory and mild meals, comforting, familiar, and quietly powerful. For older Americans trying to stay steady on their feet, protect their independence, and keep up with grandchildren or garden chores, Swiss cheese can be a daily ally. It doesn't make a fuss, it just helps you feel better and move better. However, what if there were a cheese so soft, so universally loved, that it could comfort the senses and fuel the muscles simultaneously? Our next cheese might be the most soothing and surprisingly effective of them all, and chances are it's already in your kitchen. 5. Mozzarella, the mild, muscle-friendly staple. There's something deeply comforting about mozzarella. Its soft texture, its mild taste, its gentle melt. It feels like home. However, what most seniors don't realize is that this familiar cheese is far more than a topping for pizza or a filler for lasagna. Mozzarella can be a key player in rebuilding muscle and fighting sarcopenia, quietly working in the background to help you stay strong, balanced, and capable as the years go on. Mozzarella, particularly part skim or fresh varieties, delivers a steady dose of high-quality protein, about 7 grams per ounce, in a form that's easy to chew, easy to digest, and easy to enjoy. For seniors who may feel overwhelmed by heavier protein sources like steak or dense beans, mozzarella offers a gentler path. It's light on the stomach, yet strong in support, helping you meet your body's daily protein needs without discomfort or excess. Beyond protein, mozzarella is additionally rich in calcium, which is essential not only for maintaining healthy bones, but also for ensuring your muscles contract and relax properly. Without enough calcium, your legs feel heavy, your grip weakens, and even standing up from a chair becomes harder than it should be. Mozzarella delivers that calcium in a form that's delicious, versatile, and well absorbed by the body. Another important benefit, mozzarella is typically lower in sodium than aged cheeses, making it ideal for seniors watching their blood pressure. It's a heart-friendly protein source that supports strength and cardiovascular health, a rare combination. You can layer it on sandwiches with turkey and spinach, melt it over vegetables, or roll it into whole grain wraps with tomato and basil. It's the kind of food that feels like comfort but functions like medicine. Your feedback means a lot to us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and here's to living life on your own terms.